Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 17th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And I've told you earlier, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, only these 3 regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, deadly pager explosions in Lebanon. It's a strange story, but yeah, the Israeli Mossad has it's the work of the Israeli Mossad. They have sold 5,000 pages and to Lebanon, and yeah, and they've used it, and they call that number, all those different numbers, and yeah, the pager activated, and yeah, it's exploded. Yeah, 5,000 people are injured, and I believe 9 or 10 people are deadly injured. Yeah, are dead. Yeah. All right. Number 9288. Before start, I always count up 20 digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. It's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. I think it's rather a 0 stars. Then I need to be faster than 30 minutes, or a 1 star. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, question is this a 0, a 1 star, or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes here? No. How about triple boxes? See here, triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 3 is already given, so the other 2 should be the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. We have a 2 there, so this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. Here, the 4 is already given here. Okay. More triple boxes. No. How about quadra boxes? I see here quadra box. The 3 is already given, so the other 3 numbers should be the 1, the 2, and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Where you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Following shape, how about this shape then? Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here, 1 and a 2. But we have already a 2 there. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Do we have more shapes? that you need to recognize? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4, no, 3. And 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left of the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left of 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and 5. Alright. Now, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for here. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Then, let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. 2 boxes left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 2 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I marked those 2 boxes with earlier with a 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 2 or 3, we have a 2 now in the same area, so this box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be so 3, 1 box left in this W area shape for number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes. And here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left on the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes and here. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left of the 4 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. Okay. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left and 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left to find the 2 numbers for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well, please with the time, man. I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.